Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe tab if you like these videos. These First Amendment audits. Psycho Karens get on. Insane Karens get on. Welcome, 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 welcome to this YouTube live stream. First Amendment audits here in Jackson, Michigan at the Jackson County D12 Courthouse. Or police accountability, civil rights education, YouTube videos. Look at all the contraband these courthouse employees are smuggling out of these courthouses. That's where all the contraband's coming from these courthouse employees. Goes a sheriff deputy out on patrol. We're up here at the Jackson County Courthouse. Word is on the street, DEI is stinking up the place, taking over this courthouse. We're here to expose them, hold them accountable. At the Jackson County Courthouse for this First Amendment audit. See, it's all under construction here at the main entrance. Main entrance got some construction here, the Jackson County building. All open for now. Employee entry. Here's the county sheriff building. This is all under construction right now. This is the employees' parking lots under construction. Look at all the contraband. Look at all the contraband coming out of that courthouse from the courthouse employees. We just got bags full of contraband coming out of the courthouse from these courthouse employees. Unbelievable. Traffic. Up here at the county courthouse for police accountability and transparency like never before. Hold them accountable. Starting to get some wind picking up here. Stay with us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. Stay with us. Jail and the Jackson County Sheriff, and got an alleyway here, goes down to the back parking, the rear parking of the courthouse. Got some wind blockage right here for a moment. Jail to the door to the jail. A lot of people come to this door right here. A lot of people go to that door. I think that's community service. Back here, this is where all the judges, high-ranking officials park. There's where your judges and your high-ranking officials park their vehicles behind the court building here, the north side of the building. Right next to the jail and county sheriff. She bottomed out her van. She was in such a hurry to get out of here. She bottom checked her van on the dip in the road. Some big heavy set psycho Karen. Another DEI hire up here at the Jackson County Courthouse. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe tab if you like these videos. These First Amendment audits. Psycho Karens get on. Insane Karens get on. Here at Freedom News Now. The best YouTube videos. Here at Freedom News Now for police accountability, civil rights education. YouTube videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.